Hi guys, a news video about the release, a very early release of the ISOS to AAG. So normally we do it 1 week or so, let's say second week before 1st of March. But since there's a holiday in Belgium, we've built all our ISOs, all of them, all the B's, the D's, the XS, the XL, they're all there on AAG. AAG is a place where you can test them prior to release. So release is still the 1st of March, but it's ready and out there, ready to be released, ready to be tested. You can be the beta tester if you like that. You go to seed host, you type seed host ArcoLinux, and it's because of your donations that we can pay for seed host. This is Belnet, the free version. You need to go to ArcoLinux outing group on seed host, the ands in the bands, remember. So and.seedhost, that's the URL up here, the name of the server, and it's AAG, meaning ArcoLinux Auditing Group. We give it to the community, say if you got time to test, please test it and let us know if anything is wrong, and we can retract it and then build it again and fix it before official release of the 1st of March. So there's 14 days before release time, so that's all playtime. And we ask it also because there are some guys in here that needs mentioning. First things first, this is the online version, this is my local version. We have 43 ISOs, 43. We built them all, we tested them all, and it's up to you now to see if they're okay, right? From normally we have 46. DEEPIN is out, DEEPIN is sick, menu doesn't work and such more. UKUI is out, again Windows problems and issues, and UKUI and CUTEFISH. 3 of these desktops are not fit to be released, as simple as that. Veto, we don't do that, no frustration. So those guys are not in. Nimdow, maybe you've seen that on videos. There's no ISO for nimdow yet, but there's the ATT, so the ArcoLinux tweet tool, click, blip, blip, up, 5 seconds later, you've got nimdow on your system, and with the ArcoLinux desktop treasure, you can remove it again. So that's that. We give it to you because we have another thing that is Xenmod was out due to problems with make init CPIO. We could not use it on Calamaris. It's still out in the selection because of let's stay safe and use Linux, Linux N, Linux hardened, new guy in the past, and Linux LTS, Zen hardened Linux. 4 of them, trusted, never a panic kernel. I've said the first time panic kernel or kernel panic. Anyway, there is 2 more that we've released today, and it's called RT and RT-LTS. These guys seem to have a mixed message. So RT-LTS and RT, the real time, if you type in Arch wiki kernels, you see some explanation about this kernel. And on my system, from time to time, I see a kernel panic or a problem, right? And next time I boot up, it's gone again. So try it out on test machines which are not important, and if there's a problem, right, no good riddance, and you change something else. So these 2 guys have been reported okay for other people and not okay for other people, meaning there is something hardware related or something with it. So we give it for the first time, give it to you, because basically it was also a tutorial. We teach you how to create new let me think. There are 2 ways where I could have put it. I think I would have put it in ArcoLinuxB.com, where I also have tutorials how to build ISOs. How to create the ArcoLinux RT-LTS under 30 minutes, right? In 30 minutes time, you can create a new ISO. And that results, the video, we can actually have a look at the video. And if you go to YouTube, how long ago was that? Then we get some advertising. 2 months ago, right? So 2 months ago, we decided not to release it. Today we're gonna take, we're gonna try it and release it, but know that RT and RT-LTS might cause problems, so you use it on a machine that they say, okay, let's give it a go and let's see if it works or not, whether I like it or not. So two new kernels, new wish kernels, have been around for maybe a year or so already, I think. So have a look at the ArchWiki kernels and read more there. And that's basically the message. So Xenmod is back in, RT and RT-LTS are, try it out, right? I don't know how to call it yet. Try it out. If more people say no problem, no problem, no problem, that's the kind of message we'd like to receive from you. If you've installed everything and it works, and a few days later and after a week it still runs, let us know, right? Let us know, because we do think, I do think, that it's some way hardware related on my machines. You know, I have a desktop with a bay and I pop in the SSD, pop out, pop in. I think that's the thing. It's really is tricky. All the other kernels, no problems whatsoever, but the RT and RT-LTS sometimes deliver me this strange kernel panic, and that's not nice to see. All right, so beware. That's all I can say. Beware. Try it out. If it works on your system, voila, all good. Have fun testing this out, and if you want to have leave comments, you can do it on YouTube, but I prefer Discord. That's where we all are and can all ask our questions about ArcoLinux and report back for AAG, right? If you have no clue what AAG is, basically at some point in time our user said, look, I want to help out and I invest my time into you guys, but I can't do it all the time, right? I can't be a beta tester. Beta tester is there all the time. But an AAG is something in between, saying, okay, I have some time, there's no long-term commitment. You just install twice per year and fine, and then you download it from here, and then you report if there are problems. You say, if there are no problems, please report as well. And I say, okay, everything is cool, everything is working. VirtualBox is a test, but it's better to test it on real hardware if you have a machine that you can spare. So let's try it on this one, and then we know more and more about our system and how it behaves on all these desktops and all these laptops. All right, have fun. This was just a news video telling you, hey guys, all the ISOs that we feel good to release are on the AAG and can be now installed. If everything goes well, remember this always, this is not really a beta release. What happens is on the 1st of March, anything that's on the AAG just gets copied over to ISO. That's all we do, right? We just move from A to 240301. That's it. So basically it's a release, unless somebody says, oh, there's an issue with this and that, then we can retract it. That's the idea. All right, have fun.